Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can monitor your Discord server using Toolhouse and Zapier and draft a detailed report of what's happening there and send them to your email. So by the end of this video, you're going to have something like this in your inbox. You have a summary of the activities, you have the channel overview and a date, and you have the super detailed information like key metrics that shows total messages, active users, peak activity times, and who are your top contributors and the topics discussed in your Discord server. It's super easy to do. All right, let's jump into our Zapier workflow. Perfect. I'm starting with a scheduler and I'm passing this API request to Discord and I'm using that response body in my Toolhouse agent. So basically the trick here is to passing your channel ID in this URL, in this API request. And it's like talking to Discord and saying, hey, this is the channel ID, give me the messages in this channel ID. And I'm sending everything. So the whole response, I'm sending it to my Toolhouse agent. The Toolhouse agent's name is Discord agent. I'm going to link it in the description. So you can just go ahead, press that and play around with it. And that's technically it. So to get your channel ID, you need to go to your Discord, go to user settings, make sure you enable developer mode. Just go in the search bar, type in developer and make sure it's on, and go into your channel and copy the channel ID. You're gonna need this for the API call, and that's it. I've run this a couple of minutes ago. Let's see how our agent works. So let's retest the step, and you can see the agent has an ID and has a message. So the message is the output from the API request from Discord. And when the agent is done drafting everything and creating the email, it's gonna send it to my inbox and we're gonna see it right about now. All right, perfect. So the agent response is that it sent it to my email and everything should be there. Let's go to our email. All right, sweet. We just got a new email sent just now and we got everything there. We got the activity summary, the super detailed informations, and also some additional notes too. All right, this was a super quick tutorial to show you how this stuff works. You can even take it a step further, do social media background checks on your Discord users and monitor it even, with more stuff. Let me know what you'd like to see next and make sure you check out our other Discord monitoring video. I'm gonna make sure it appears somewhere here and see you in the next one. Bye bye.